Yeah. Hey, yo, Wavy, where you at, nigga? Yes, sir. Putting that work in, yeah. Putting that work in.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Anyway, on today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing kizungu kindly, an unboxing of Sisterlocks styling essentials, plus I'll also be showing you what I already have. All right, so let's get into it. So guys, this entire package is from Amazon, and the first thing, okay, first of all, I've already opened it because I needed to use something, right? Something. So the first thing that I got, guys, can you stop falling off? Sorry guys for the noise. Are these two bottles. The reason as to why I got them is because I'm going to be putting my hair growth oil in these bottles, and I especially love these bottles because of the applicator. All right, let me show you. So this is how it looks like. This is going to be so simple for me to get to my scalp, all right, and literally just anywhere so easily. So that's exactly why I got them. And the other thing that I got are these hair rollers. They are so many, guys. I love them because they don't seem like they're going to cause any tension on my Sisterlocks, because we all know Sisterlocks are super delicate and we don't want to cause them tension, especially in the beginning stages before they mature. So it's like a sponge with a very weak plastic thing, like I don't know what thing is inside, but you can definitely put this and sleep so comfortably in them. All right, the other thing that I got is this Lion Locks rose water. It's actually the reason as to why I have already opened this package, because I needed to use it. So I love the smell. I love the smell, and I love what, like, it makes the Sisterlocks so soft. I'm sure you've already seen that since I did my morning moisturizing routine for my Sisterlocks. Yes. So I think lastly what I have is I got this, oh my, let me hide my nails. So I got this herbal hair oil mix. Yes, because I'm going to be using these two to create my hair growth oil, which I'll show you on a different video, definitely. All right, so like I saw another YouTuber who has Sisterlocks use it and they recommended it, so like I just want to try it out for y'all. Yeah, the next package the next package is from Jumia. Yes guys, and let's see, this one at least I haven't opened. We're just going to tear this like this, right? So let me show you. I got this that I'm going to be using for styling my hair. It's like a small head wrap. Yani, you guys are not ready. So I got this. It's the exact same one as this one, just like different fabrics. Yeah, and I'll show you. Actually, I have styled this before with my open natural hair, which I'll show you right here, so that you can have an idea of how to style them. So yeah, that's what I got from Jumia. That's it. The other styling essentials that I think is a must-have, especially if you have short Sisterlocks, are headbands. I will definitely be showing you where I got them from, and they're all different materials. This is like a sweater warm kind of situation, and this is more of a like let's go out for a wedding, for a picnic. Okay, this is also for a wedding. I actually wore this one to a wedding. All right, yes. So this one is just like, guys, like, and I'm out, and I'm out. The other essential thing that I think you should have are these hair bands, guys. I think this is leather, I'm not too sure, but I just love the color. I'm here for the style, guys. I'm here for the style. Plus it doesn't seem like it would cause any tension on the hair at all, and that's what we want. That's what we want for our Sisterlocks. All right, and then we have this, I don't know what is this material, I have forgotten the name. So I have this is what I use to section my hair whenever I want to, say, moisturize my hair in the morning, or just even put like do a half up half down. I can use this, like, looks good, looks good, does not cause any tension. I prefer this to having normal hair bands, because those other black or other colorful hair bands that are not of this material usually come out with hair, guys, especially if your Sisterlocks are not mature. You see these ends, they will stick on that hairband, right? That's what I'm saying. And then last but not least is this beautiful hair tie. So whatever is inside here is what's inside here. I don't know if it's a plastic thing, a metal thing, but it's like has, like, it's so soft, it's so soft. And if you want to see how to style this one, just watch my video for how I style my Sisterlocks. All right, and then there's one other thing, and it's this beautiful hair clip. I'm sure you guys have seen more of such. Yeah, so I can just have my hair in a bun, and I put this on the side, or half up half down, put this on the side, or just like put this down, clip this, and then have this over here. It's super cute, super cute. All right, yeah, so this was the last thing, guys. All right, so that's about it. See you guys on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, do the damn thing.